We've truly entered the next stage of litigation surrounding the 2020 election, and that is to punish anyone who dared stand up for Donald Trump and ask questions about the integrity of the election across this country. We're going to see more and more of this as it comes. Most of these will probably be dismissed or ignored. However, all of them are a threat to any of the attorneys involved. What am I talking about? Well, I am talking about in the city of Detroit, in federal court in Michigan, the Eastern District of Michigan, the city of Detroit's lawyers have filed a motion for sanctions against the attorneys involved in the Kraken lawsuit. Popularly, those are Lin Wood and Sidney Powell, but there are several other attorneys and a bunch of plaintiffs that are also named in the request for sanctions. The media will have you believe that they're going after Lin Wood and Sidney Powell, who have become sort of lightning rods in this discussion about election integrity, pushing forth the most extreme theories and putting them into court documents about things like Dominion, about irregular vote counts and things like that. That has been spearheaded publicly by Lin Wood and Sidney Powell, but they are not the only lawyers who are pushing these narratives and who are standing up for Donald Trump. And all of them are going to be targeted if they haven't been already. Okay? So what are they asking? They're asking for punishment. Sanctions are a punishment. They allege bad behavior in the course of a case and then subsequent punishment to come from that bad behavior. They're asking for money. They're asking for attorney's fees. They're also asking for them to be prevented from practicing law in the Eastern District of Michigan. If possible, they would love to have them disbarred entirely. They don't want them practicing law ever again. They don't want them speaking. They want them gone. They want them removed. This is the punishment phase. Now, this is actually kind of common in some jurisdictions. You'll find sanctions motions being filed back and forth, typically in larger cities, and those sanctions motions oftentimes amount to very little, if any, action, because the punishment is so punitive to an attorney, and it can actually chill candid conduct before the court. Courts want attorneys to approach the court with candor, with confidence, and with the ability to speak what they want to say. We also have things like First Amendment rights, but the court actually wants attorneys to be open with the court because they want to hear and flush out these issues, not dance around them. So sanctions can have a chilling effect, and that is the one thing that may play into Sidney Powell, Lin Wood, and others' favor. The fact that the court may not want to chill otherwise meritorious election lawsuits in the years to come. But the Democrats and the media definitely want that punished. They definitely want it chilled, and that is evident. And don't think this is limited to Sidney Powell and Lin Wood. As I stated before, they've become lightning rods in this, but they are not the only targets. In fact, in this story from December 17th, we have 21 Trump attorneys in Arizona being targeted with bar complaints. A bar complaint is an allegation that someone breached their ethical responsibilities as an attorney. Punishments for bar complaints can be stuff like monetary punishments. They can be temporary suspensions of law licenses. They could be rehabilitative education, as communistic as that sound, or it can actually be disbarment. It can be the permanent removal of a law license for an attorney. They're going after lives and livelihoods with these punitive efforts. We don't know if they'll succeed or not, but we'll be watching. What do you think? Do you think these attorneys should be punished? Do you think they should be praised? Is this a political attack? Is it not? Let me know down in the comments below what you think, and we'll be following along. Until then, peace. Peace.